Do ba 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 do boo do a boo ba do ba.
Ready? Ooh, ooh, ooh. I told ya.
Sound.
Sorry. I apologize. I always forget my place.
Meow. No, halo, kasih. Sakit lagi.
It's going down. I'm yelling timber. You better move. You better dance. Let's make a night you won't remember. I'll be the one you won't forget. Ooh, ooh.
They came back. They came back. They said you're the one. Let's go, sweetie. You've been adopted. Yeah. Is that him? Is that him? Is that him? There he is.
You're not for the streets, Priscilla.
That's what I love. Nestle Crunch.
Have one. You can have one bite. Sit. Oh my god. pistachio ice cream.
Cooter, you're like lightning in a bottle.
Mikey, what are you doing? Nothing? I don't think it's nothing. I think you're trying to get into the cat drawer.
Mark.
Dave, are you hungry? Say yeah!
And I can put it in a bun. And I can put it in a bun. I got my eggs back.
Where's the dinosaur? Yay! Yay, dinosaur! You're tired? You don't want to do it anymore?
And you were my baby. It started when we were younger. You were my boo. All I can change. Won't you fly free, bird, yeah.
No! Oh my god!
Ui.
We chill, okay?
Welcome back to Melon Be Smellin', and today Melon will be smelling a pickle. Oh, Melon does not like what she be smelling. Now Finn will get a sniffin'. Finn disapproves of the pickle.
I don't think you understand that
You are my therapist. Hello? Hello? Are you even listening?
What if someone pulls a gun on you? What are you gonna do?